Hey guys, GSIP Studios here. Welcome back to our King Nightmares walkthrough playlist. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the first ending, also known as the good ending. Simply go to the play button, select your difficulty, and do note that for a lot of the Easter eggs, some of them you won't be able to get if it's on a hard difficulty. So make sure you have it set to medium or easy for your best chances of getting certain Easter eggs in the future. And you can also select Nightmare Mode on/off if you want to as well. But for this, I'm going to be leaving it off, and I'm going to be leaving it on the default of medium. Go ahead and click on Start Game. Now that we're in the PC part, go to the to-do list. You'll see we have 2 tasks to complete before we can log off our computer for the day. One of the tasks is to upload the game trailer footage so it can be edited by the editors. So in order to do that, simply go to the Noodle Dome browser, go to the uploader, click here to upload your files, click on trailer 1, 2, and 3. There you go, 1 of 2 tasks are now complete. In the emails here, this will be important for a future video later on, where you open up the email and you read Jane's email, which will help you with a future hidden Easter egg. One of the biggest ones, actually, quite frankly, which is the Backrooms Easter egg, of which you'll see in a future video. But for now, we're going to continue on with the next task, which is to go to the Shockstar game engine and fix all the bugs. Simply click on the bug 1, fix bug, wait for the bar to finish, and repeat with bug 2 and 3. Now that all the tasks are complete, we're finally able to start playing the game. Simply go over here to the door, press E to open it on up if playing on keyboard, same thing over here, and head down the escalators. Now, although Jane's email is important for finding the Backrooms Easter egg, it is also important to find the key to get to the Backrooms, which happens to be a multi-use key that you also use for the good ending. Within the email, Jane said that she has hidden the key somewhere within the building, and it actually is right here. Now that we have the key, go ahead and head downstairs. Once we're on the main floor, you will see right here the door to the break room. Go ahead and click, and we will have the good ending. You can view your progress through each ending by going to the Endings tab and tracking the 4 right here. With that said, thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one.